Hi, this is Laurel from Mirepoix USA, and today we're going to talk about Merguez sausage. Merguez is the Arabic word for sausage, and this spicy lamb sausage comes from North Africa and is popular in France, Morocco, and really all over the world. This sausage is usually lamb-based. This particular sausage is primarily lamb, but also has beef. Generally, Merguez does not have pork, as it's popular in Muslim and Arabic countries. This particular brand, Fabrique Delices Merguez sausage, is really one of the most delicious that I've tasted. Merguez sausage is very easy to prepare. Just grill on the barbecue or saute in a pan. You'll want to add a bit of olive oil, maybe a tablespoon. Let that heat up a little bit. And then add the sausage to the pan. The most important thing is to not overcook this sausage. It's best if it retains the juice, and because they are thin links, it tends to cook rather quickly, probably in about 5 minutes. Once the sausages are browned on all sides, you'll want to remove them from the pan right away. Merguez is traditionally served with couscous, but it's also really wonderful with ratatouille. It's great as a breakfast sausage or on a baguette with some brie cheese.